Okay, so this is the stage one of the Kintampo Waterfall. So as you can see, yes, so we are going there. So I came with my colleagues, as you can see them. We get there very soon. This is stage one. Yeah, so our tour guide just informed us that we have 3 stages. We have stage one, we have stage two, and we have stage three. So where we are heading to is stage one, a very nice one. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, it's very nice. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, yes. Right now, let's go down. So we are going down to see how nice the place is. Okay, so wow, this is stage one for us. Yeah, you can see. Hi, let me climb and see something. Hi. So you can see this stage one. Let me go inside. 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 Let me go in. Okay. So you can jump inside. This stage one. The water is very awesome. The place is very nice. Woo! Wow, wow, wow. I like the place. I like what I'm seeing. Yeah, very nice. You can see. Wow. Okay, so yes, this is the place. So we move from that side, then the passage through this place to the main waterfall. So this is where we are going to the main waterfall. I think that is very interesting. Wow, wow, wow. I like what I'm seeing. Wow, very good. That is the main waterfall. And I think that place is very nice. The main, you see the main means that it's really main. The ones that you've seen on Google and all the platforms, I think, yes, finally we are going to see the place. Yeah, so journey with me as we go to the main waterfall. Yeah. Okay, so this is, we are going to move on the canopy. Yeah, the canopy walk. Then after that, we go to the third stage. Yeah, it's very interesting. I'm even afraid, but let's see how the whole thing is. Yeah, totally. So let's go. Okay, so my photographer, please come and let's try and see whether we can pass on this canopy. Okay, so as you can see, the waterfall is just there. Wow, wow, I like what I'm seeing. But I see the canopy. Can I walk on this? And I'm afraid already. Oh, hi. But let's see. Let me go. Yeah, you can see my face. Yes, it's quite scary, but what can we do? It's part of the whole process. Yeah. So yes, you are going to start. I think you have to rest here small. Yeah, we start the whole journey. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, welcome to the ramp show. As you can see here, this is Kintampo Waterfall. So as you can see from the distance, yeah, this is the Kintampo. So this is the canopy walkway. Yes, you can see here. So we are walking on this. It's shaking, but just journey with me. And when you look down, you can see the green part of this place. Yeah, it's very nice. The trees and the plantain, very interesting. You can see the water here. Yeah, so let's just go to where the actual waterfall is and explore around. Okay, so just journey with me. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, so we are on the canopy walk. Yes, very interesting one. So yes, it's shaking, but we are trying as hard as possible to make you get the full coverage of the whole thing. Very interesting. Yeah, I'm shaking. But it's very interesting. Yeah, let's go. Still reminding you that we have the ramp show here. We are not going to disappoint you. Yeah, so you see them, you see my guys. See my guys. They're enjoying the journey. I can't wait to post this video. Yes. This video is very interesting. Don't forget to subscribe. We are making this thing very interesting for you. See, we are going one step at a time. You see, very interesting. So let's go. Okay, so we started the whole thing. They said that no space. afraid though. I'm afraid. That's very scary.
That's for quite.
Yeah, so as you can see, there's a model. This is very scary. Hi. This is very scary. I'm afraid already. Hi. Yeah, so you can see this is a canopy walk, a very interesting one. Yeah, so you can just go in the back. Let me try my back and see. Yes. So it's very interesting. I'm guys who are getting small, see that you're able to walk on the canopy. That's very interesting. We are going, yes. Yes, now I think the energy has come. I have the dream now. Yes, I can walk on the canopy. Hey, this thing is quite scary. Oh gosh. If you're not careful, you can just fall from it. So it's the canopy. Yeah, so let's drink. Thank you guys. Let's go. Okay, so guys, we are walking into the game. It's scary. But now I'm watching the things. I can even walk without moving the things. It's very interesting. I like what I'm seeing. I like it. Wow. I'll visit this place. Wow, Kintampo Waterfalls plus canopy walk. Wow, very interesting. I like what I'm seeing. Very interesting. Wow. I want to jump. Guys, right down. I like what I'm seeing. It's very nice. Yes. Yes, we are coming. We walk into the explore the beauty of nature. I think God is actually great. How nice it is. Water is falling. There's water flowing. It doesn't end. It's not good. It's here all over. Yeah, the track of yeah, see my guy. See the radio I'm making noise. That is not easy, but it's very interesting. Yeah, it's like, wow, I like what I'm doing. I like what I'm seeing. Yes, this is unique Kintampo. In Ghana, we have nice things around. So they don't just do those. Just go and explore and see how people. Wow. That is very nice. It's very far, but we are good. Yeah, wow. I like what I'm doing. Very Charlie, wait. Most days. Hey, Addison. Yeah, so. Charlie, wait. Most days. Hey, Addison. Yeah, so. Okay, so yes, now let's go to where the actual waterfall is. So let's just follow me one step at a time. Finally, we are here. So we are heading towards the waterfall. So you can see there is the water here. Yes, the river. So it comes from the waterfall. So you can just follow me and see how nice the place is. So when you come around, so let's go. You see, many people come here. It's a very nice place that you should try as much as possible to be around. Okay, yeah. So yes, as you can see, very interesting one. Let's go. Still reminding you that it's still the round show. They're not going to disappoint you. Bringing you the best, nothing else, just the best. So as you can see from afar, this is the actual waterfall. And it's very interesting, as you can see, very interesting one. Yeah, so we just go straight. Let's get close to it and see how it is. let's go straight to it and see how it is. But because of the phone, I will not enter. But let's see how it is. So this is Kintampo Waterfall. Let's have a feel of the water. So as you can see, I can touch the water. Yes, very interesting one. Yeah. So this is it. Finally, we are here. Very interesting place. Don't miss this place out. Come and check the place out. Very interesting. Okay, so once again, the Rank Show. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like. Let every person on this earth find about the Rank Show. Okay, so help me.